Hello, Abusia. Welcome to Gatsby GH. This is your girl next door, if you're right. Today we're talking about Hajia4Real. Hajia4Real has been trending on the internet from morning till this time, and not for the good reasons, but for very, very serious reasons. Reasons that has really landed her in big trouble. Who is Hajia4Real? For all of those who don't know Hajia4Real, Hajia4Real is a social media influencer who is from Ghana in West Africa. What has happened is that Hajia4Real apparently was apprehended by the FBI in London last year, November, when she went to London to attend the Ghana Music Awards. FBI from London expedited her to the United States to be charged of all these so many charges, fraudulent charges pending against her. Today we're going to be talking about the details of the charges and how many years imprisonment she faces if everything or if she's found guilty. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. I'm going to be bringing you her birthday bash that she did last year, which cost $100,000. I'll put a full video for you to go and watch it. Hajia4Real is bigger than life in Ghana. But I mean, for most of us, we thought, all this social media thing is bringing her money. It doesn't look like it. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere if you want to hear the full gist. So I want you to watch this little video. You see? That was her birthday 10 months ago. She turned 30 years old. Who is Hajia4Real? Hajia4Real is a musician who gained prominence through her presence on social media, particularly on Instagram. She has a very large social media followers, over 3.4 million at one point. Hajia4Real is known for her luxurious lifestyle, fashion sense, and glamorous appearance. She has often shared photos and videos showcasing her designer outfits, designer bags, expensive cars, and luxury things, travel to exotic locations. Her social media presence has made her a popular figure among her peers, and she has become influential in the world of fashion and lifestyle in Ghana. I mean, these are the people who travel first class, whose kids' birthday parties are like bigger than even of some of these influential people. In addition to her social media presence, Hajia4Real has also ventured into music industry, just as I said. May 12, 2023, which is a few days ago, I believe it's Monday, Hajia4Real was extradited from United Kingdom to United States to face charges. Federal prosecutors claim that she is responsible for defrauding older single American and women in a complex romance scam, resulting in a theft of over $2 million American dollars. Hey! Sika! Say yes, na ye goldo ya semo ki se pressure ko for tamanipa omo ye treat your $2,000. Hey, era de crisis. E bon wa nyina wa ha beti de kankan yo na mo nyina yemre. Yo, let's move on. In Manhattan federal courts, Hajia Montrage, she is 30 years old, hailed from Accra, Ghana, faced charges related to her alleged participation in series of schemes targeting elderly individuals who are lonely, basically. Sakawa ya mranti di ye enkofo wa bruche ye bu ye fra o me pa o me do fine ko si e bitimi g 50,000 now from enkofo e bitimi ma amrofo yi emrewane enkokre twafa yi ticket de balata Nigeria nom ne Ghana nom omumra no na chese fa yes na oni akono Sakawa ni pano na oye bema until they're just hiding behind computers, internet, under false pretense, pretending to be women, extending love and relationship to these lonely, rich or lonely, hardworking, retired American individuals. And sometimes they're able to, coerce them. They're able to trick them to send them thousands of dollars of money, to a point where they even buy a ticket to come and visit them in Ghana and Nigeria. And by the time they get to Accra or they get to Lagos or Abuja, they find out that, nobody existed under that name. Oh, say enubi na according to sources onya yen no media enubi na say Miss Hajia ja spearheaded by den de crowds the new more din pa $2 million and you say nyan kwara ndi ni bia na abrofo ne ba 6,000 and 30,000 will be a 2 million. Hey, yo ebusia mummy Nkoswe. While her lawyer confirmed her plea of not guilty, it has been revealed that, she's been released on bail of $500,000 plus a GPS tracker. It's not just say, Haja, won't me magana, won't me baby. Hey! According to the prosecutors, from 2013 to 2019, she collaborated with a group of fraudsters from Ghana, West Africa, Nigeria, wherever that is, who assumed false identities to deceive victims into believing they were in a relationship with them. The scammers utilizes emails, text messages, and social media messages to manipulate their target, coercing them into transferring lots of money under false pretenses to them. Part of these are 2 million, fraudulent money given to Hajia and the team. Some of them were to be used for various reasons. Some of them, one of them is to use to transport goods from overseas, whether from Ghana to wherever that is, nobody knows. And also, it says that the FBI investigated. Oh, and also another part of the charges is also money that were exchanged in hands to supposedly aid a U.S. officer, army officer in Afghanistan. So anyway, this one it's more like on say na only Afghanistan. Only Afghanistan, one kobi, right? But or pretend this or into Hajia at Ghana can basically arrange for that. Into Sikana Yedema US army for no more, Afghanistan, no only Akunebia or Tifia or make our Ghana. But all my creative false identity say only this person is in Afghanistan. In Tisikana Yedema Onkofono or GB. Like say Hajia a Ghana, not or Jessica from America, Ubia or no war or false identity or my creative I war army more Afghanistan. Hey, erade Christ. And go for a while though. Hey, yes, so part of this apparently they've created a false identity of an army officer who is to be believed to be in Afghanistan. In Tisikana, US government a army officer ne kano. It's not say a false identity into Sikano comes to Hajia4Real and in the fraudsters no account to me because a fake person. And court document indicates that Hajia allegedly convinced one victim to send her $89,000 through 82 wire transfers, claiming the money was intended for her father's farm in Ghana. Christ. To further deceive the individuals, she sent a fake tribal marriage certificate after a series of phone conversations where she used her real identity. One of them, or the real identity, in a creative false marriage said meaning so Additionally, it says that Hajia received money from multiple victims swindled by scammers within her network. Overall, she managed to amass of $2 million, which was deposited into the bank account she held in Bronx and other locations, including United States. Hey, Erade. I'm just out of words. So these are the charges leveled against her. She is charged with wire fraud, money laundering, receipt of stolen money, and conspiracy, facing a maximum sentences of over 20 years in prison if convicted or if found guilty of all those charges. Why are the charge there are so she is charged with wire fraud, money laundering, receipt of stolen money, and conspiracy. She's facing a maximum of 20 years in prison if convicted of all these charges. Hey, Hajia, 20 years you can be. Montrage, Hajia's lawyer, Mr. Adam Cortez, mentioned that they are currently aware of 6 alleged victims, of which only 2 had contact with the woman, meaning with maybe Hajia, with only one of them claiming to have dealt with Hajia directly. So Cortez declined to comment further. Mr. Cortez, the lawyer, declined to comment further until he receives additional information and evidence from the prosecutors. He also noted that his client, Hajia4Real, travel is restricted to specific areas within New York and New Jersey while awaiting the progress of her case. So now saying it says come no abama adaji enim. Oh, and we receive messages from group on WhatsApp. Yes, hey, papa no obi photo aba. Yes, I feel quite just one timpo esa frel. Na ono kasa no beti na alata kasa. And so was me asmesi obogane din. I mean, I see say. And kisa one kasa wo pegunia e defraud no na ayeden. Na ayeden. Hajia4Real year the birthday last year. 6 days. So the Bible says the Nansia and then Yankopon at the Eduma, then the Tosson son or the home. Hajia4Real 6 days, no, at the prepared the birthday, no, or the celebrity, yes, 6 days so na Hajia at the celebrity the birthday. And now song and Nansia, then Yankopon the boy we are say. Then now son the son or home. Hajia4Real at prepared the birthday, no, 6 days, a boy who the royal who did the 6 days. No, they mark it one birthday. The 7th day in a year, bigger than biggest bash ever for a 30-year-old. All but not in Ponkoso, all but not what take care, more bunny sine agongon. Hey, a simon. Anyway, so all of these are all alleged, right? These are all charges leveled against Hajia. It hasn't been proven guilty yet. Once proven guilty, then we can confidently say that Hajia did all these fraudulent activities. But for now, you can accuse her. It's just you can place it on her. It's all just charges, accusations. So right now she is innocent until proven guilty. Yeah, our prayers is for Hajia to pull through this, and if she is indeed innocent, right, if she's indeed innocent now, God should intervene for her. But if she's not innocent, so the law will continue to deal with her. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to stay tuned. Gatsby GH checking off.